we are going to contacts. The customers of our company should be created here. If you want to do any transactions, first you need to create customers. So those customers will be created here. Now when we are going to search, we can search based on the shown types: company, customer category, the email, mobile number, city, and the contact status, connection status. These connection status are all not connected and connected. This will be explained later. Now we are going to create a customer. We are going to add customer category. I'm just going to individual, the name, customer name. Here you have to give your customer name, customer's email ID, and mobile number or alternative contact number, and gender. Any one of these is mandatory. You don't need to give all these details. You can just give the customer name, your customer names. Here we'll have some other fields, some other data to capture the customer details. Here I'm giving the addresses, and if the customer is a business customer, then you can give the business name, and the social profiles. You can give his LinkedIn or Facebook. Profile IDs, and the designation of the business. If the customer is a business customer, you can give the designation, and if you want to upload any image, you can upload here. Image is uploaded successfully, and now we are going to create this customer. Save. Customer is created successfully, and it is shown in the search page. Here you can see, you can search, just check it. You can search based on the city. Yeah, customer details is you want to just remove a letter and check customer is not displayed, and I'm going back, reverting back the changes. Customer is displayed, and if you want to create with another category of customer, it won't be shown. If the exact category is selected, then it will be shown. And here we will have the connected status, and you can edit the customer, any of the details, and you can simply save it. And we will have a dashboard and SMS and email. These two options will be shown only for the not connected customer. If your customer is using our vonping app, then he can connect to your company through a connection code. You can send this connection code using SMS and email. SMS and email have been sent. This is for not connected customer. And if he is connected, you can see all the details. Now we are going to dashboard. See all that is the customer banner. There you can see what are the details captured for the customer. And now this is empty because we didn't did any transactions here. Now I'm going to create an invoice. This is for an assign contact option, that is for add asset, that is to create an invoice. You can navigate from here to all these areas. Alternative contact. Now I'm going to create an invoice. See, here in the banner, your customer details are already shown. Here based on category what we have selected, you can see the product. These products are shown when we are configured in the configure products. Means we have created a master product details, right? So from there these product details will be shown. And yes, select that product, give any quantity. If you want to select any serial number, you can, and add the product. In the below, you'll have additional charges. These charges also will come based on the primary setup when we have created a company. In the company category, we have given additional charges. Yes, these additional charges as a payment option, and those details will be reflected here. So this page is again reloaded. I'm going to select process again, and yeah, additional charges came. And here there are a lot of options: EMI option, pay later, pay now. Now I'm going to pay now. In the payment, we'll have a lot of options: cash, through cash. In which mode you have received, you have to select that. There are different fields to capture for each and every mode: a card number, check number, like the transaction detail ID. You can save. And this pay now will create invoice and receipts at the same time. These are the list of banks. If you have selected any bank, we'll have a default data of all banks. So I'm just going with cash, and I've created the invoice. After creating invoice, it will ask you about the printouts. What are the copies you need? Transit copy or business copy or customer copy, like that. If you select it and click on print, it will navigate. You can close, or if you want to print, you can click on print. It will navigate to a PDF page, and a print dialog box will be open, and there you can print. You can see the two copies. I have selected business and customer, right? So two copies are generated. Just scroll down, you will get the two copies. I don't want to print, I just cancel it, and you can navigate to invoice search space. There you can see the status is fully paid, and if you click on PDF, it will again navigate to you. From here you can again want to print, you can print. Selected, the PDF pages will be displayed. Click on print, it will navigate to print. These are the PDFs. And now we'll go to the customer dashboard once again. Yes. Now we'll get the product details, because we have created a product in invoice. So we are added a product to this customer. Means this customer owns this product. If you want to go to PDF, you can. If you want to print, again you can print. Now go to another quote. And the invoice screen and quote screen are similar, but the actions are different. Transactions are different. Again, same. Customer details came. I am selecting a product, added the product, just created it. In the search space, quote is created. Here we'll have edit option, email option, PDF, and we can close the quote if it is not successful. Then we can generate in this quote to invoice through this option. Again to customer dashboard. We have just created the quote, so product is not yet added. Now we are going to service ticket. Customer details are selected. I am going to select a product from the product screen. I am just assigning to one of the user of this company. To do service, we have to assign a user. These users will come based on the configuration in the users for this company. There are a lot of ticket statuses. You can select what type. You can note status means requested, like that. Source, to which source your customer contacted you, like that. The complaint, services and spare parts will come based on the configuration created. Now I have added a service, and I am going to add a spare part. Add. These two items are added with open status. I have added a serial number for the spare part also. If you want to give any description, you can give. service ticket is created. If you want to move to dashboard or not, search screen or not, it will ask you. You can select. I'm just navigating into search screen. Again, I'm coming through edit. A service ticket is created, but resolution has to start. Resolution means the service engineer is committing the service at the product. So that is the resolution. I am going to start this resolution, and I'm giving the resolution date. I am just giving today itself. So this thing, I am started the resolution now itself. Update it. Now I don't want to navigate search screen. I just selected now. Now I want to complete this service ticket. Just to before completion, we have to change all these statuses to close. But if we can click on directly on complete, all the status will be turned into close. It is asking for the pop-up. I have selected OK. Now I want to go to invoice. If you want to go to code, you can go before the resolution started. After the resolution started, you cannot go to code. Now I came to invoice. All the details, all the service details, spare part details, along with the taxes, price, all will be forwarded here. Now I simply want to create an invoice with pay later. Means only invoice is creating, receipt is creating later. Now I don't want to print any copy, so I just clicked on close. Now I am going to contact dashboard. Came to the customer dashboard. You can see the products, and if you click on service tickets, a service ticket is there. No contracts. In the invoices, you can navigate to receipt from here itself. Now click on receipt. It will navigate to the receipt screen. So here you will get the customer details, invoice number, date, amount, is there any EMI or not, and there are different payment modes. You can select one, and you can change the amount. If you want to change, you can change the amount, otherwise you can create for the full amount. Receipt is created, and it will be navigated to invoice screen, and I'm again going to contact dashboard. Now I'm going to quote. From quote you can create an invoice. Quote can be generated to invoice, and there are no alternative contacts. So I want to create an alternative contact. Just give any name what you want. You can give all the details if you want. This is like a customer screen. The contact is added. I want to create another contact. This alternative contact is just for reference purpose. There is no use about this alternative contact. You can just save an alternative contact details. I am giving name, email ID, mobile number, and alternative contact number. So otherwise you can give all the fields. This is similar to the contact customer creation screen. Means a contact creation screen. If you want to give, you can give. And alternative contact is created. Now we are going to assign a contract. Click on assign contract. It will navigate to the AMC master screen. Just select contract option, assign option. It will navigate us to a contract creation screen. Customer is selected, AMC name. This left side are the billing schedules where when AMC started and date. Terms, 2 terms we are planned, were created in the master. So 7 encounters means 7 visits we have created in the master. So if you want to change any status of the visit, you can change. Now you can go to the select the product, to which products you are going to assign the product, this contract. Just simply you can click on next and select. select this product. If you want to add a new product here, you can add. Just give the tag name. This is like add asset screen. You are going to add an asset without an invoice. You can give serial number, date of purchase, warranty details like that. Save. The item is added. And you can add bulk products at a time. Bulk add assets. You have to select the product name, how many quantity you want to add. If you want to add any serial numbers for this, you can add. Items are added. Now I am going to select the product which added an asset, a single asset. Now I click on next. The two products are added. I have selected two products and those two products will be shown here added. And here you will get the list of services and spare parts what are considering in this contract. Click on assign contract. Contract is created and assigned to this product of particular customer. Again, we have to navigate to customer dashboard, and in the dashboard you can see the contract. I have added a products now, so that's why these products will be shown here. Those added products will be shown in the list of products. So whether you can add through invoice or through add asset, those products will be shown. This is the contract we have created. This is the service ticket, details, ticket number and status. If you want to see the item history or the ticket history, you can see here. If you want to navigate to the contract, just click on the contract and it will be navigated to the contract dashboard. Invoices, codes, alternative contacts, and we are going to create a calibration ticket. Go to the calibration menu, click on new calibration ticket, select your customer. I am selecting customer. This customer list came from the customers what we are created. Okay. Select the product, just performed by, date and the outcome. This calibration, this is the basic calibration template. Now I am going to save this calibration. It will ask you to navigate to such screen or not. Click on yes. Yes, calibration is created. Now I am going to the customer dashboard. Now the calibration ticket is shown. From here you can navigate to edit the calibration. Done. Now we are going to add an asset. In the add asset, list of categories and subcategories what we are configured in the beginning, those will be shown, and I have selected a category and subcategory. I am just giving the tag name, any tag name for the asset, and you can give a purchase price or not, it's your wish. And brands, here the brands what we are configured, this will become, and the products which are under these categories, subcategory and brand will be displayed in here, and we have to select, and we can give serial number, date of purchase, warranty provider, and save it. This asset or this product will be added to this customer. Check that. You can see the products added through invoice and through add assets. That's it. This is a single shot of a customer details, all his items, products, service tickets, contracts, invoices, codes, alternative contacts, calibration tickets. Done.